Hello, YouTubers. It's Uncle Lo with Uncle Lo's Next Adventures. Actually, I come to you with a little bit of a just product review today and an unboxing, which I apologize for a little bit of the fragmented video, but my daughter and her babysitter really wanted to unbox this new product that I brought home here. So this is actually the TELESIN Master Grip for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which just I recently got. I love the device. I think that from a photography standpoint, it has lots of positive features like its zoom, exposure, just the kind of functionality. Since the 16 they've had the camera button, so it's really given a great little opportunity for some of the photo enthusiasts to kind of utilize the phone even more. Um, but I actually chose this particular product from Telesin here because of its whole ecosystem that it gives. So the first one here, as you can see, is this particular case here is quite nice. It's colored just like a retro DSLR or SLR. And what they're taking off the piece of vinyl right now is off the actual grapholine kind of material there, which is apparently supposed to take away and dissipate heat from the actual phone. So that's how it actually keeps it cool. There's also in the back there kind of a cooling vent that you can see from the MagSafe they've put there, and the case itself is okay. You can see I just took off a Logix case, a clear one, and find that one from a drop rating standpoint and just kind of a feel around the corners, around the lips. I think it'll protect the phone a little bit more from this Telesin case. This one's right nice aesthetically. You can put obviously um, the actual holder and the grip and the phone together along with their accessory, uh, which is basically the lighting, which I didn't choose on this case. I really wanted just to kind of get the bare minimum. And there's a lot of functionality of this Telesin here, which really made me gravitate towards it. The first one here you can see as a stand. It's actually quite nice. Vertically, you can do the stand, and then you can do it horizontally too, and it stands up relatively upright and quite nice. That if you're watching a movie on a stand, on a TV stand, or on a table, it would work quite well. The other thing too is you can see aesthetically it is really nice, especially with this case matching with it. I'm going to say that, if I was going to rate it out of a 10, aesthetically, I'm probably going to give it a kind of 8 or 8.5 out of 10 there, simply because of the beauty of it. But what I actually really love is some of the features, which I will showcase in another. I really just wanted to unbox this to kind of show you. It comes with a screen protector. It comes with the actual case, the master grip, another USB-C charging cable. So it is relatively complete for a really good Black Friday price of basically 118 Canadian. So I thought, oh, and I'm so sorry, it also included a screen protector, which also was a really nice touch. So if you like this product or if you liked my review, please subscribe.